You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing celebrity names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So in English it is generally said and accepted that it is said as Jake Gyllenhaal, Jake Gyllenhaal, but being of Swedish origin, his last name, if you want to hear how it sounds, in Swedish it is normally said as Gyllenhaal, Gyllenhaal, so Jake Gyllenhaal or Jake Gyllenhaal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.